Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a delicious aloo chaat recipe. உங்களுக்கு இந்த ரெசிபி தமிழ்ல வேணும்னா மறக்காம description boxல இருக்கிற லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி போய் பாருங்க. So let's get started with this delicious snack. First we'll need to boil and cube some potatoes like this. While boiling, add a pinch of turmeric and required salt and boil them for 2 whistles on a pressure cooker. It should be in this consistency. Now set this aside and heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on a pan. You can use any type of oil. And now let's add the potatoes little by little and shallow fry them for about 20 to 30 minutes and then take it out. It's actually fried really well and it's really crisp now. So let's get to the next step. Take another pan, add just a drop of oil and add our fried potatoes all together. And then add a little black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and then 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and give it a good mix. After the masala has coated well, add green chutney. This is the chutney which we use for chaats. The recipe link is given in the description box below. Now after giving it a good mix, our aloo chaat is ready. Now let's serve it. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice on top and sprinkle a bit of chopped mint leaves. And that's it. Our delicious aloo chaat is ready. This is a very simple and delicious evening snack recipe. So thanks for watching. Meet you next time. Bye bye.